Alright, hi, it is a Tuesday on the 21st of June. The time now is 5:41 p.m. in Singapore. Hi, my name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trade analysis video. Um, Today I've been listening to the Bloomberg Live TV, and it seems that the sentiment for the Brexit itself is still more inclined towards a remain. And then what happened on the chart right here for the pound against the US dollar, we have seen that the price has broke above a major resistance level at the price of 1.4715. That signals for the price to appreciate further. And but the thing is that I'm still looking for the level to sell. In fact, I did just now when it's right here, still resisted right here, came down, I shuttered it, and then it hit my stop loss. All right, halfway through. So sometimes I do get bad trades right here as well, because I do still believe that the pound will resume its depreciation as uncertainty over the Brexit continues to brew. So we'll be looking for the next level to sell, but as of now, since the sentiment is more towards a Brexit, and we have a dollar that is most likely to weaken further as the impact brought that happened yet last week when the Federal Reserve failed to raise interest rates, brought over to this week. The impact will still last for a little bit more, as far as I understand how the market works. So we might probably see that the pound against US dollar will continue to appreciate for today itself, or maybe till tomorrow. But it will be a very different game end of the day, because it is really very near to the date of the referendum on the 23rd of June, which is this coming Thursday. So now we have seen that it has broke above. If you would like to go for the buy, look for intraday buy. That you have to go into 15-minute charts, wait for it to start consolidating, find a lower band of the consolidation to go for the buy instead. And if you would like to know which level to take profit, very first level I would prefer somewhere here at the price of 1.4926. That's the most ideal price I have right here. So if you were to be able to go for it, that's still a pretty good 150 pips to be made from that. In this situation right now, 160 pips, the kind of volatility is pretty much normal, so very achievable as well. I'll probably be looking for a chance to do that as well. Let's take a look at the pound against the Japanese yen. Alright, so similarly, it has broke above a previous key support resistance level at 153.36, and working towards the next level. Let me just identify that in the 4-hourly chart. Also, I believe this will be the next level at 154.63. Next resistance. We will see what's gonna happen from here. I'll be watching closely on the news, on the development of the Brexit, to make decision. I might also want to just stay a little bit away from trading the pound, because the sentiment can change anytime, but I'm definitely still biased towards a sell. Although I do not believe the Brexit will happen, I'm just talking about the uncertainty that will continue to bring the pound lower end of the day. So for the pound yen, okay, but just take note that it is definitely at a level that is very sensitive. This region itself between 153.36 all the way to 156.15, the whole region itself definitely will have a lot of consolidation. So you have to be very clear of your objective, whether you are looking for the buy or sell. Always buy at the lower band of the consolidation, sell at the higher band of the consolidation. That's the advice I have as of now. So I'll be moving on to dollar against Japanese yen, which I have mentioned yesterday. Went for a short in the 15-minute chart as it got resisted the third time right here. At the resistance level 104.77. Last night went all the way down to key support level at 103.68. Came up, I took some profit, came all the way up to the previous support level. it came down, and then it finally starts to break above. I exited everything, but right now it's back to the trend line, the rising trend that we have right here at the bottom part of it. Got resisted, came down, so somewhere around at this price I went for the sell again, waiting for it to go down further, because do believe that the dollar will continue to depreciate, and the yen will still strengthen in a way because of Brexit, because of uncertainty that will increase the demand for the safe haven assets such as the yen. You may want to look at the Swiss franc as well. But just take note that tonight later on we have the Yellen testifies, so just be a little bit aware of it. I'm hoping that I can achieve at least a stop loss to an entry level. Let me just take a look at my own chart. Where did I shorted it at the price of 104.43. 104.43. That's somewhere here. Right now earning about 11 pips. That's still too little. I'm waiting for it to reach the previous support and resistance, and now becoming the support level again at 104.13 to be able to shift my stop loss to entry to protect my trade, so that I do not really have to worry about what's is going to talk about later on. Hopefully it can help me to boost this trade itself. Alright, so that is for the dollar against Japanese yen. Aussie against US dollar, I've just launched a few tens of minutes ago, because it has finally broke above a key resistance at 0.7490. So why is that a key resistance? Well, basically in the fall Richard, that was the previous high. Alright, ever since they cut the interest rate, and with no action, it has brought it back all the way to a high at 74, coming to 75 very soon, and right now it has broke above the previous high. Definitely believe that it will go all the way to 75 and beyond, as long as the Federal Reserve still refrain from raising interest rate, and the Reserve Bank of Australia is still taking no action to cut their rate any further. And if you look at the whole wave itself, do believe it can all go all the way to 76 to 77. So I went for a buy. My key, then I'll be most likely taking most of the profit when it reaches the key support or resistance level at 0.7594, or rather 0.76. So looking at that, there's still not really much, about 100 pips to be made. Still pretty good. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar. I still have about 2-3 minutes of time. Let's see what else do we have to talk about. Now, of course, for the New Zealand dollar, definitely we'll still expect it to go higher, since the Reserve Bank of New Zealand did not raise interest rate. As you can see, it has just break the previous high. Maybe zoom in the 4-hourly time frame, shift it up a little higher, broke above the previous the resistance level at 0.7132, went a little bit higher. So, and day one chart, yep, we definitely can see that it can go a lot further. Maybe let's just take a look which price, what is the next resistance level we have. Let me scroll back a little bit. Alright guys, this is the level I've set. Yep, that's pretty much about this price itself. This level is right in here. Alright, a little bit more, there will be the next resistance is a previous support and resistance level 0.7195. Let's take note of that. There's still about 40 pips to reach. And then to the next one at 0.7275. So well, if you want to buy the New Zealand dollar against US dollar, yes, you may go to 15 minutes time frame, wait for the next wave of consolidation, something that looks like this, then again buy at the lower band of the consolidation. Alright, so that's for New Zealand dollar against US dollar. Alright, so left with less than a minute, so I'm gonna finish my video right here, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow.